Different types of roux, which is one white roux and the other one is brown roux. So now I'm going to show you how to make a white roux. So we need a butter. Clarify the butter first. Make sure the butter is really all the butter is clarified. Then only we can add the flour. Okay, we put in the flour and immediately stir until combined. So this is considered as the white roux. Why it called it white roux? Because the color is actually why the color is not really white, because we are using a margarine. If we are using a pure butter, it's going to be white. So this is considered as a white roux because it doesn't require it doesn't require much of heat until it turns brown. So this is considered white roux. So this is done. So how we're going to make a brown roux is slightly a different case as we make a white roux. But we need to make it a little bit longer on the pan until it turns brown color. Keep stirring. Okay. So we keep stirring until the roux turns into brown color. Then it's called brown roux. This is our end product, which is this is white roux and this is a brown roux. So you can see the difference of color here. Okay.